Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove comment on Instagram story. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the top left to view your story that you posted in the last 24 hours. Now to view the comments, swipe up from the screen. Here you can find the list of comments by your friends and also the list of people who viewed your story. Now to remove the comment, simply tap on the three dots at the right side of their profile. Then tap on delete comment. And that is how to remove comment on Instagram story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.